I'm Megan, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to juggle in about 5 minutes. I have taught kindergartners in their PE class in an hour how to juggle. Anybody can do it. It's actually fairly simple if you just follow the steps. It doesn't matter which object you have. A ring, club, standard juggling ball, small size standard juggling ball, tennis ball, a quarter, or even a stuffed animal. It doesn't matter your object. So the first step is take your object and practice with a single hand. Take a dominant hand. The first step is to shake out everything. Put your arms by your sides. And your hands just about here. It's about where you want to be. Good up and down motion right about here. Get a good feeling for your object, and just with your dominant hand, throw it up and down, up and down, up and down. Even the professionals have problems. Ideally, you're going to keep your eyes straight ahead. You might notice me looking at it, but straight ahead. So you get very good with this object, whatever the object is. Chainsaw, even better. Then you do your non-dominant hand. Now that you're getting consistent, we're going to start learning the pattern. The object is going to go from hand to hand now. Back and forth. Again, trying to keep your hands basically right here. Not too close, not too far, not too reaching. Right here. Up and down. So, for this size object, which is a standard juggling ball size, you want it to travel right about eye level and down. For your smaller objects, it's going to be smaller. Your hands come a little bit closer together, perhaps. The larger the object, the higher it goes. Once you're really good at getting that object at about the right height, about the right place, most people will need a wall right here, so that when you're learning how to juggle, a lot of people will run, throw the ball way out in front of you. So if you can put a wall here, then the ball will just go hit the wall and come down. Until you can get over running. Then we're going to learn pattern. We have 2 balls. The first ball goes up in the air, travels, and right before it comes down and lands, you throw the second ball, it starts to travel through the air, and you catch that first ball. The second ball travels through the air and lands, and you catch it, leaving space for a third ball. So, it looks like this. We throw 1, right before it lands, throw 2, flies through the air. Ready? that's the pattern. That right there is the pattern. So now you take your 3 objects. And it's the same thing. 1 flies through the air right before it lands. Throw 2. 2 is going to fly through the air right before it lands. Throw number 3. Catch number 2. Number 3 is going to fly through the air right before it lands. You're going to throw number 1. Right before it lands, you throw number 2. Right before it lands, throw number 3 and catch. Ready? Ready for it? And now you're juggling. For more complexity, you end up with different objects. But again, you've practiced with this and you've practiced with these, and then you just keep track of where they are. So